Welcome to today's unboxing, Dell Inspiron 1545. This is the box. As you can see, the specs of the system are not displayed here. So let's go with the unboxing. Empty. Now it's empty. These are the software and drivers. This is the installation DVD. This is the application DVD. This is the certificate, drivers, and application again. This is probably the power adapter. Yes. I'm plugging the power. This is the PC shield. This is it. These are the ports on the side. Power to USB, VGA port and Ethernet. In the front we have speakers out, audio in. This 5-in-1, I think, card reader, and the DVD rewriter, and another USB here. This is it. Very good one with a camera. Very shiny laptop. Medium inside, Windows Vista. So let's run it. But we're gonna remove the battery. This is it. The first boot of the Dell Inspiron 1545.